Do I need professional help if my Ring doorbell is offline?
Hello there. Today we're addressing an issue some of you might be experiencing: your Ring doorbell going offline. Before you consider seeking professional help, there are a number of troubleshooting steps you can try yourself. Don't worry, it's simpler than you might think.
What causes the Ring doorbell to go offline?
Understanding the reasons why your Ring doorbell may go offline is crucial. Often, it can be due to network issues, power supply problems, or software glitches.
How to check your internet connection?
The first thing you should do is check your Wi-Fi connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi is working correctly and has a strong signal. You can do this by checking other devices connected to the same network.
Is your Ring doorbell getting enough power?
If your Ring doorbell is battery-powered, ensure the battery is fully charged. If it's hardwired, make sure the power supply is uninterrupted. A low battery or power outage may cause your device to go offline.
How to update your Ring doorbell software?
Sometimes, a software issue can cause your Ring doorbell to go offline. Make sure your device has the latest software updates. You can check this in the Ring app settings.
How to reset your Ring doorbell?
If the previous steps don't work, you might want to try a full reset of your Ring doorbell. This involves holding down the setup button for about 20 seconds until the device's light flashes, indicating a reset. In most cases, these steps should help you get your Ring doorbell back online. If you're still experiencing issues, you might need to contact Ring support or a professional. However, always remember, troubleshooting it yourself can save time and money. We hope this video has been helpful and that your Ring doorbell is up and running smoothly again soon.